Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you my recipe for mashed potatoes with cheddar cheese in the oven. It will taste very well with your meat and chicken dishes. If you like my video, please don't forget to click the like button, and to be notified about my new recipes, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I peeled 6-7 medium-sized potatoes. I cut into 2 or 3 and take it into my pot. I add about 1 dessert spoon of salt and enough water to cover it. I boil my potatoes until they get soft. I get them in the strainer after it was boiled. After it is drained well, I take it back into the pot and mash them with a potato masher while it is hot. Then I added 2 full tablespoons of butter and a small amount of salt on it. We added salt before, so I don't add much at this stage. I'm mixing it. Meanwhile, I turn on the stove to a low degree. I add 1.5 teacups of milk on it, but I add my milk gradually by mixing it. I stir it for a few minutes on low heat. At this stage, you can also add black pepper if you wish. I didn't want to add it so that it wouldn't ruin its color. I take my mashed potatoes into my small square Pyrex. I'm straightening the surface with a spoon. I sprinkle plenty of grated cheddar cheese on it. Then I bake in a preheated oven of about 250 degrees. I cook it until the top is lightly browned, and the mash is ready. You can slice it to the size you want and serve it hot. As I said, it has a great flavor that tastes well with meat and chicken dishes. I strongly recommend you to try it. I hope you enjoy it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.